So customer complaint is the refrigerator's not cooling like it should. So I already see the issue. I figured that's what it was. We see back here, we got that ice frozen up. All right. So we got the drain hose filled up. Alright, so the back cover came out pretty good. Fan's still good, so yeah, we're good to go. Alright, so we go back and put that on there. Alright, so pretty much what we did here, we added a heater coming up to go up here. And as you can see, this is the heater down at the bottom. So we tapped into the heater wire. So when this heater comes on down here to melt the ice, it also melt the ice that's up here that's stopping the fan. And that's that. Then right here, we added on a deeper drain clip because at first water wasn't draining and it was coming down here. So we cleared out that. We're gonna go to the back and clear out the line from the back. And when that heater heats up, that'll heat up and prevent water from freezing. All right, so this one is a little clogged up. So we're gonna clear this out and we'll be good to go. All right, so we got it cleared out and water's able to flow back through. So we're good to go.